letting go of the things that we don't need anymore. Hey guys, it's Rei and welcome back to my channel, and we are finally back with home vlogs, but this time, ito na yung start ng parang renovation series natin. I will be renovating my room, walk-in closet which will be downstairs. Our main focus today will be my room, and parating na rin kasi yung bag cabinet ko. Pinakita ko na yun sa inyo before. Of course, before everything arrives and before we can fully style and reallocate all of our furniture, we have to declutter. So join me today as I do a massive decluttering and organizing, I would say. It's really more of letting go of the things that we don't need anymore. My room is a mess. I'm just gonna show you a before. Let's get some before shots para makita natin kung may magawa tayo today. So let's go. So we're gonna start in this area, and this is usually the pinakamagulo because this is the biggest table that I have in the room. Yung ayoko sa sarili ko, pag may kinuha ko, hindi ko siya ibabalik kung saan ko siya nakuha. So usually, I just dump everything in this table, and I want that to change. That's a bad habit. I want to change. So this table serves as my office table, my makeup area. Before we start, I have here a paper bag for the things na ipapamigay ko and the trash na talaga. So, the key is segregating para unti-unti silang mabawasan. Say hello to Levi, baby, who's gonna help me. How about Airy girl? Anyway, we're moving down here, and feeling ko ito yung pinaka-eyesore talaga. Tapos si Miggy, actually pareho kami. Ugali namin yung kapag kami ayaw kaming i-deal with. As in, sinasaksak muna namin sila. Ang dami talaga, sis. Yan nyo. As in, sobrang daming paper bag. So, that's what I'll do. I'll sort everything. Daming gamit ni Miggy. Kay Miggy nga yung mga gamit. Surprise! There's a camera. Ang dami talaga natin mahanap dito. And we are done! This area never naging ganito to. So ito na lang yung kikip ko. This is my Theradome for my hair growth. My Dyson's clean. Okay, so we decided to move things around. This is temporary kasi may design talaga si Arbel dito, but it was a good chance for us to clean yung mga nasa ilalim. But the plan is really to have this side of the room to be like the bag area and lounge area, and then that side to be my bed. So at least the bed is fixed already. So ito, mapapalitan na to, ginagawa na siya. Tsaka yun lang naman, yung placement ng sofa, baka baguhin pa ni Arbel ng konti. So guys, this is my new favorite corner in my room. As you can see, na-move na natin yung bed and it feels refreshing. Ang ganda pa na nun, parang may sort of restart ka kapag ka nag-move ka ng furniture around. Here, natuwa ko kasi may saksakan doon. So all of my saksak needs andun siya. And then I figured, I'll have this drawer where I have everything I need. I just did this super simple lang na set up para maganda siya sa mata. Like, it's so nice to look at it. Like, it's all white, very minimalist yung mga brands. So, yeah, nakakatuwa lang that it's there. By the way, fresh sheets na rin tayo, so super excited ko talaga matulog. Anyway, going to the second drawer, itong mga to, these are like my praning essentials, like especially right now, ang dami natin kailangan. And you know how tita I am. Alam niyo yan, yung tuhod ko. So everything that I need for myself, like self-care and yun nga, may praning needs, dito ko siya ilalagay. Ito, gustong-gusto ko tong i-share sa inyo. It's an herbal pillow and ginagamit ko to pag may dysmenorrhea ko. Mina-microwave ko siya, tapos pag mainit na siya, nilalagay ko siya sa tummy ko. Of course, I have a lot of face masks. We have this, very important. We have thermometer. Ito yung parang sa mall. Ito yung sa kilikili. For some reason, mas nagtitiwala ako dun sa para sa kilikili. So, ayan, we have this. I also have an oximeter, but it's with my mom. So, most of the items that I have right here, you guys can get it from Watson's. Ayan o, Watson's na tissue, Watson's wipes. Maliliit lang. The big ones I have right there. Ito yung mga pwede kong ilagay sa bag ko bago ako umalis, ganyan. Multivitamins, and then yung mga panglagay sa tuhod, sa mga masakit. Sis, kailangan natin yan. So, of course, andito din lahat ng mga medicine na kailangan ko. If masakit ulo ko, if lalagnatin na ako, allergies, dysmenorrhea, ganyan. Band-aid, but make it Hermes. Sobrang cute. Ayan. Alam niyo, hindi ko alam kung gagamitin ko talaga to pag nagkasugat ako. And thanks to Ate Amy for giving this to me. But, I'm gonna put it here. It makes me happy. Extra contact lenses. Yan. Tapos, medicine for my skin asthma. Like, lately, ewan ko, dahil siguro papalit-palit din yung weather. Plus stress. Grabe yung skin asthma ko. And this is another product from Vicks. Inhaler siya. So, kapag ka nahihilo ako, sobrang relaxing ito. I always have this in my bag. Ito naman, another tita need. Relief serum. Kapag minamigraine ako, pag feeling ko sasakit na yung ulo ko, nasa-stress ako, I put this here. Tylenol arthritis, guys, para sa tuhod ko. Yan. And of course, alcohol. So that's everything that I have in this drawer. So at least kapag may nafe-feel ako or what, di ko na kailangan lumipat pa. Okay, so going to the third cabinet, I don't know about you, but doing my nails is very therapeutic for me and nakaka-relax siya. So I have here yung mga gel nail polish ko and yung mga grooming tools ko. I have it here. Ito yung makeup kit ko and ito yung go-to ko. Ito yung ginagamit, dinadala ko if I have work outside, ganyan. So isang buhat na lang. Yan. Oily but make it bougie. Chanel Oil Control Kineso. And then, to the fourth drawer, I have here my shades. I'm a beach person, so lagi akong naka-shades. And then, I also have here some hair accessories. And right there, yung mga certificate lang ng jewelry ko. This is my family drawer, so I have your letters from years ago in this drawer. Hindi na siya kasha. So, ang extension nito is yung nandun na drawer natin. Our favorite board game, Avalon. At first, you're gonna feel like, ang hirap, paano ba laruin to? Pero, once you get the hang of it, it's the best game. So, naggabi na guys. Grabe, ang hirap pala ayos ng room. Pero, we are almost done. And if there's a part in my room na iniiwasan kong ayusin, it's this one. I have this organizer na hindi ko ma-let go kasi sobrang functional niya talaga. Easy access to the things here. I have 3 drawers. So, wala pa siyang laman pero I'm sure, mapupuno yan ng mga gamit. So, I'm just gonna put it there for now. Alcohol here.